apartheid, yes, apartheid, right of return law indicates without shadow of a doubt that Israel is an apartheid state. It has racial preferencing. What's the evidence of that? The evidence of that is as follows. Number one, what is apartheid? Or what are the thresholds that must be met in order for an apartheid to happen? The thresholds that must be met in order for an apartheid to happen is that there's discrimination based on race. And we know that Jewishness is both ethnic and religious, both at the same time. But the right of return law only favors Jewish people. In other words, no Arabs can come to that land, which means to say that the right of return law fulfills the criterion required for an apartheid state to be labeled as such. The point is that the right of return law is a racist law. And the fact that you can't understand that, and that you defend that law, and that you can't condemn that law, is ample evidence that you, my friend, and I use that term, actually I don't, you retract that term, you're not my friend.